Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm actually going to show you how to make a demo account through MetaTrader 4. So you're going to go right over here in your MetaTrader 4 app and you're going to click settings. You're going to click up top. For you, it's going to say MetaTrader 4 iOS demo. For me, it says my name. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. If you see this plus in the top right hand corner, you're going to go ahead and click that as well. You're going to press open a demo account. Right up here where it says servers, you're going to search for Hugo's Way. So Hugos Way Demo 3 should pop up. It's going to ask you for your name. So I'm going to put my business phone number and an email. For leverage, you want to put 1 to 100. And then for deposit, you want to put 3,000 USD. You're going to go ahead and press register. You're going to press done. Right over here, you're going to be on your quotes page, right? So you're going to go over here and you're going to press the plus. You're going to go over to where it says FX crosses. And you're going to go and you're going to add every single one of these until the list is done. I'm going to go back over here, go to where it says cryptos, do the same exact thing until that list is empty. And then you have them all right here. That's how you open a demo account.